Hello, I'm Dr. Tess Mauricio. We should all be beautiful inside and out.
The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr. Tess Show. When it comes to beauty, they say she's the best. But who is this woman they call Dr. Tess in your
This is the Dr. Tess Show. Today we're at our National City branch. So over the last few years, I've been really wanting to reach out to the Filipino community, and National City is known as Little Manila, and so we are at the heart of where the Filipinos are, and we are so excited because we get to bring to National City all of our expertise and our technologies, and we love it there because our clinic is next to all of the Filipino food restaurants. There's always food, and I'm always full, and of course the sweet patients. Because we now have 4 offices, I'm only in National City 1 day a week, usually on a Tuesday. So if you like to say hi to me, that's the day that you gotta stop by in National City. Kumusta?
Good.
Maganda yun. Okay, Christine, get her ready, and then we'll talk to you more later.
Oh,
You have
okay.
to show off. You look so beautiful. Plus, you can't keep it a secret anyways. All your friends notice you look so good. You're gonna have to tell them your secret is Dr. Tess.
Yeah, okay, that's good, that's good.
Ano po? How did you like it?
I like it.
Huh? You noticed, huh? So Jessica Sanchez's grandpa, Mang Senyong, and he is so cute. You know, he is 70 years old, but his goal is he just wants to look young. He saw his younger sister, Jessica's grandma, and after she had treatments with me and she looked young, and she said, hey, I want some of that too. And it's so amazing because Jessica's grandpa is so supportive of her. Every time he comes, he brings us CDs of Jessica's singing when she was a child. She shows us photos of Jessica as a child and growing up.
She called me grandpa because we are 3 grandpa.
Sino pa ang mga lolo?
Yung isang kapatid ko pang lalaki na si Jessie, si Eddie. Ako, we are 3 grandpa.
You're not gonna hear this from anywhere, but he's known as Lolo Manong because he is the older brother of Jessica's grandma, and Jessica's grandma calls him Manong, and so over time Jessica just continued to call him Lolo Manong.
So when I call this is grandpa. Who's grandpa? Grandpa Manong. Well,
Alam na niya. For today, you're gonna get to watch Mang Senyong have a venous freeze treatment. This is a painless procedure, and he loves it because it is tightening and lifting his face and neck. Kaya kailangan po pabatain namin si Mang Senyong dahil celebrity grandpa.
I don't know. Some one day I'm gonna be with Jessica in her show.
Exactly, you will be. And now you're gonna be even more famous and even more handsome.
Yeah. Like in my job, everybody knows me about that because of Jessica. Oh, that's the grandpa of Jessica Sanchez. Even though a Mexican guy, because her brother is half Mexican, American, and they know Jessica, all
Well,
Mexican people.
Lahat po ng mga Filipinos very proud of Jessica.
Yeah,
and
very proud.
And I'm so happy I get to take care of Jessica's family because you guys are all so nice, and we know definitely where Jessica got, her just napakabait kasi po talagang buong pamilya.
Mabait.
Napakabait po ninyong mga pamilya ninyo. So it's our pleasure to take care of you.
Napakabait na bata yan si Jessica. Wala akong masasabi.
So he always tells us that Jessica is such a
Babalik sa Diego yun kasi
mabait, napakabait na bata.
devoted kami talaga doon sa batang yun.
And of course, you can just imagine how proud he is to be the grandpa of American Idol Jessica Sanchez. Kita niyo yung photo ni Mang Senyor?
Yeah, that's me before I take a picture of
No surgery po
myself.
no surgery. Nowadays though, his favorite photos to show is his before and after photos. Tingnan niyo yung side view ngayon ni Mang Senyor. Wala na loose skin. Yan ang magic ngayon ng ating technology. Ilang beses pa lang po kayo bumalik dito? Dalawa?
Two times.
Pangalawang beses
This is
pa
my
lang po.
second time.
He really believes he looks a lot younger. Ito po yung mga picture niya.
Yeah. Oh,
Tingnan po ninyo ang side view ng neck ninyo. This was his photo.
Yeah, but now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kita mo,
Wow!
I look like.
Tanggalin niyo po yung inyong hat para po makita natin yan. As long as you're happy,
Yeah,
happy
I'm
at
happy.
70.
Even I spend a lot of money, it's okay.
Exactly.
I don't get the money. I want to be younger.
Yeah. And this is only his second time. He's
Yeah,
only
that-
gonna look younger and
yeah,
younger.
this is
We'll
my
follow
second
your
time.
transformation po.
Yeah.
And you'll be one of the stars of our show. Thank you po.
Okay.
Okay.
The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr. Tess.
I am Venus Rowe. I am Shamsi Subso. Are you the next Binibining Pilipinas USA? Join Binibining Pilipinas USA. Your destiny awaits.
In this business, your face is your number one asset. It's the canvas for all your emotions. How's that for drama?
Hilda Cornell has one of the most beautiful faces in international cinema.
So you want to be sure your face is well taken care of. So I go to the best. I go to Dr. Tess.
We customize our treatments to your individual needs. Our time machine program can make you look 10 years younger in a natural way. It's super high tech and very economical.
Dr. Tess, simply the best.
The Dr. Tess Show.
My name is Fanny Zaragoza, and I live here in San Diego.
So Miss Fanny was one of our very first patients in National City. She is so sweet. She's beautiful.
Before I came here, I really looked for somebody that really gonna fix my, what she called it, pigmentation.
You know, she came to us because she's gone to so many other places. She's had so many different treatments, and no one's really been able to help her get a more even skin tone. She had some discoloration. It is a tough condition.
So I went to one of the dermatologists, and he's a doctor too. But the first time I went there, they just do like using a laser, something, a pen like that. And after that, I don't, I feel uncomfortable because I know he said to me, I remember that we cannot do anything, because it's been there. That's what he told me. And I said, okay. And I'm really trying to find somebody that will help me. And finally, and I saw this Tess because I heard her name even on the TV. And when I heard and I read on the paper that she gonna have a grand opening here, I really went here, and here I am now. I feel so happy because I can see the improvement, and I feel much better now.
Miss Fanny, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some more treatment for the discoloration. This is like your fourth treatment?
Yeah.
Okay. Fanny's gonna have a procedure called the photofacial. Photofacial is basically a combination of intense pulse light, which is a multiple wavelength of visible light, plus radio frequency. So we put a little bit of ultrasound gel on the skin, and then we apply the handpiece, and you'll see flashes of bright light. What's really cool about the photofacial is that the light and the energy travels under the skin to specifically target and get rid of the pigmentation.
I'm checking the skin. Sometimes kasi lahat ng Filipino skin, may what we call, yung merong delayed reaction. Kasi pag na-absorb ang skin ng heat, there will take time for the skin to react. So ngayon ang hinihintay ko kung anong itsura ng skin after the pulse. Kasi tinaas ko yung energy. So yan ang really where expertise really count. Kasi kung kahit na pumunta kayo sa lugar na meron yung technology, kung low setting lang ang gagawin nila, hindi nila alam mag-gamitin yan. It won't be the same.
The cool thing is if you've had a chemical peel or other treatments to burn the skin to try to treat the discoloration, this is much safer. So you're not going to have a lot of peeling, you're not going to have a lot of downtime, a lot of swelling, but the technology and the energy is so smart, it will know where your pigment is and it will only target that, but it'll keep your normal skin totally intact. And it's wonderful. It is definitely a very popular treatment, and Fanny has gotten great results.
I'm really happy the way I look at now.
And it's fun here too, ha? Dahil mga new pa po. So, I'm so happy kasi mga pasyente nga po namin end up becoming our very good friends and everything. And I think that's the best part of our jobs here. So not only are we beautifying, but we also end up with wonderful friends.
Yes, and that is true.
So I'm so happy that Fanny is responding, and over time, as we see her month after month, she's become one of our really favorite patients, and she's become one of our great friends. She always brings us goodies.
Those people really want to make themselves really beautiful and pretty and look much better. Come here.
I'm very lucky because our patients are wonderful, especially my Filipino patients. I just love treating them, and we really get them better, and we really feel we're providing a service that they have been looking for.
The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr. Tess.
In this business, your face is your number one asset. It's the canvas for all your emotions. How's that for drama?
Hilda Cornell has one of the most beautiful faces in international cinema.
So you want to be sure your face is well taken care of. So I go to the best. I go to Dr. Tess.
We customize our treatments to your individual needs. Our time machine program can make you look 10 years younger in a natural way. It's super high tech and very economical.
Dr. Tess, simply the best.
The Dr. Tess Show.
Today, the mayor of National City is going to be stopping by. Mayor! Hello, look at you! I'm so proud because, you know, the mayor can pick anyone else to do his treatment, but he chose me. He's actually so excited that we chose National City to open a new M Beauty. He said that this is one of his crowning moments for the city, that M Beauty is here to serve his people.
How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Very good.
What are we, like 2 weeks out now?
Not even 2 weeks.
Not even?
No,
So
it'd be-
10 days?
Yeah, it'd be 2 weeks and 2 more days. Right.
Wow. What do you think?
It came out really good.
So the mayor was not always a mayor. He actually was in construction for over 20 years. So he had tremendous amount of sun damage. So he actually has had skin cancers before, pre-skin cancers, and when you look at his skin, it was very, very weathered. The mayor, the good mayor here is Mayor Ron Morrison, and he was here during our opening of the clinic, and of course, me talking about that, I said, Mayor, we can do it. Let's just find a time where you can block off and we can erase some of the sun damage.
Yeah.
Because you were in construction.
In construction, I had probably about 40 years of sun damage.
Right, right, and fair skin,
Right.
blue eyes,
Right.
and the perfect candidate for our time machine package, where we did a laser resurfacing on the mayor, and then we did the platelet-rich plasma, and at 10 days he's here and he's walking around and
Oh, yeah.
looked like nothing happened, except we just erased a bunch of pre-skin cancer.
Exactly.
How does your skin feel?
Oh, it feels great. I mean, it doesn't feel like my skin. I mean, it's, you know.
What's your wife saying?
Oh no! Everyone's noticed. I mean, you know, that have been around me,
Right.
And you know, it helped. I mean, for the first couple of days, I mean, there was all that
Oh, yeah.
uncomfortability that you talked
Yes,
about,
yes.
and so I did everything that you told me to do.
You were great.
And but it helped also. I came down with the flu at the same time.
See?
So it kind of helped that I was, you know, that made me stay inside. It made me get a lot of rest, and I think that helped also.
Yeah.
So a lot of people didn't really see me during that time at all, but the few people that did, yeah, after they came back and after just a week, and they're going, we can't believe it's that big a difference.
The mayor attends a lot of events. As you can imagine, he attends all these big events, ribbon cutting, speeches. So he is very visible, and people know how he used to look. So now that we've done the time machine for the mayor, everybody is noticing. Everyone is asking him, what did you do, Mayor? You look at least 10, 15 years younger. Of course, he's a man, so he doesn't wear makeup, so they can really see that his skin quality, the brightness, the color, his wrinkles, all of those things are so much improved. I was telling the Mayor Morrison when we first saw him that he had a lot of pre-skin cancers. And for those of you who have fair skin, or if you have friends or husbands and spouses and family members who had fair skin, you know, those are the rough, scaly parts and growths on the skin that no matter how many times you pick them off, or scrub them off, or put any kind of topical products on them, they just will not go away. Those are actually pre-skin cancers, and that if they are not treated can turn into skin cancer. So not only did we make him look younger and more refreshed, but more importantly, we actually treated, yes, his pre-skin cancers.
Right.
And so this will decrease your chance of getting skin cancers in the future. You know, I was wondering, why did the mayor, you know, allow himself to have all that sun damage? There are obviously a lot of dermatologists in San Diego alone. And so he told me that I'm the only one that he trusts to touch his face. And I feel really honored that he believed in my expertise and he was willing to just let me do whatever I wanted to really take him back many years. It's a serious treatment, which, you know, you should only get from an expert.
Exactly.
So
I wouldn't trust that to anybody else other than you, believe me.
And we're so excited again, you know, that the mayor of National City City, where M Beauty is. We're so happy that we're here, and he's wonderful, and he is such a true friend to the Filipinos. He's been the mayor of National City now for how long?
I've been mayor for 6 years, and I was a council member before that for 14 years. So this is my 20th year now.
20th year, although now in a couple of weeks they'll be like, really? Right?
Well, plus I shaved the beard off, which I had a beard for 40 years
Right. And because his skin looks so good now, the mayor actually shaved his mustache and beard. He wants to show off his skin, and so now whenever I see him on Facebook, he looks so cool.
too. So I
This
shaved
is
off.
perfect,
this
because
is
when
new.
they look at you now, they just think that it's you
Yeah.
just because you got rid of the beard.
Yeah.
So that's really smart. So men, take note. If you have a beard and you're thinking of a major transformation like the time machine, that's a perfect time to shave your beard. Plus, then I'll have access to that
Right.
area as well during the resurfacing technique, and then we can treat that skin too. And I'm so happy because he says that his results exceeded his expectations, and he's enjoying life so much more, and he's so much more confident when people look at him and take photos of him, and when he goes on TV to represent National City. Well, thank you. Do you have anything to say to our Filipino viewers here?
Well, I would just say, I would recommend, any of the treatments that Dr. Tess does. I mean, it's phenomenal, the care that she gives you, the expertise that's there. And, there's a lot of people out there that do a lot of things, but there's very few that are at this level of professionalism.
Right, and the mayor knows who they are, and he signed up here with me. So, thank you, Mayor, and thanks for going on TV with us. But National City, really, if you want the best Filipino food, we have the best. I mean, a lot of amazing Filipino businesses are here.
This is it.
And when I decided I was gonna have my office to serve the Filipino community, I picked National City.
And we are so proud of that.
Awesome. All right, Mayor. Thanks.
The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr. Tess.
Hi, I'm Dr. James Lee, inventor of the Ugly Pen, which stands for Ultimate Grip Lee Pen, which is the first physician-designed, truly comfortable ergonomic pen on the market. I created this pen out of frustration. During my medical school and medical training years, I used to write a lot, and I had hand cramps every day. I tried every single ergonomic pen there was out there, and none of them worked. All other ergonomic pens are designed to look comfortable. The Ugly Pen is the first physician pen designed to actually be comfortable. I want to show you an x-ray of a hand holding an Ugly Pen. And the one thing that I want you to notice is the shape of the bones of the hand. Most people think that the bones of the hand are flat. They look like fingers, but actually they have a lot of contour to them. They're curved, they have bumps, they have grooves, they have ridges. And I wanted to create a grip that matched the bones of the hand. And there it is, the Ugly Pen, the most comfortable pen that you can get your hands on. Go online and order your Ugly Pen today. Doctor's orders.
I'm Jennifer, and I'm 58 years old. This was me a month ago. I could hardly look at myself in the mirror. This is me now. I didn't think it was possible, but I feel and I look great. And the best part is that I did it all without having surgery. It's as though I stepped into a time machine and I look 10 years younger. Thank you, Dr. Tess.
You're welcome, Jennifer. If you're like Jennifer and you want to look younger, call one of our M Beauty clinics near your area. Step into our time machine and we'll bring you back. I am Venus Rowe. I am Shamsi Subso. Are you the next Binibining Pilipinas USA? Join Binibining Pilipinas USA. Your destiny awaits.
The Dr. Tess Show. The Dr.
Speaking of Tika Lipo, talagang matutuwa kayo pag na-meet ninyo itong mga pasyente ko, mag-asawa from National City, LV and Rafael. Hi! Ano? ano, kumusta? Ang mga sexy! Hello!
Hi, doctor.
Hello, hello!
Hi, my name is Selby. I did tickle lipo in my neck.
LV, of course, like a lot of women after the age of 40, nag-gain siya ng weight. So, we did the tickle lipo on her and she was so happy.
Tawa ako ng tawa kasi nakakakiliti. Sabi nga nila tickle lipo. So, sabi ni doktora, tumawa lang daw ako.
That's her! Awake, on the OR table, and laughing her head off while she's getting slim and sexy. Ulitin mo nga, hindi ko na...
16?
Size 16.
Ngayon 10.
So LV just said she went from a size 16 to a size 10 in 1 month. What an amazing transformation.
Yes.
After her lipo, sabi niya, naku, Dr. Tess, yung asawa ko naiinggit na. Talagang siya nasusunod. So, less than a month after LV's lipo, si Rafael naman, nagpa-lipo siya yung buong midsection, abdomen and love handles. About 1 week, you still have a lot of swelling. Actually, more swelling now than even the day after, which is normal. Sort of like if you hurt your ankle or anything, the swelling goes in. The openings are so tiny. I actually went through the belly button. You can't even see them. They're so small. So that's the other thing with Filipino skin. We scar so poorly, so the openings are so tiny you can hardly see. And all of the swelling will go down over the next few weeks. And even with the swelling, you're still so much smaller than before. Huh? Look at that. There's no more love handles. It's amazing that years of having that around you, and within like a few hours of doing this lipo procedure, and you're doing it awake, you're not under general anesthesia, it's very safe. Less than 24 hours, you get to see the reveal. Iba na, di ba? Ang katawan mo, iba na. Very exciting. So ano, are you excited?
Oh yeah, I'm excited.
Very excited. Eh, si LV.
I'm excited.
Ah, nakita mo ulit ka to na asawa mo?
And it's been a month now, going back to work, more confident, happier, more slimmer. Yeah, I'm happy.
Well, thank you for sharing your story. It's really cool when husbands and wives can do this together and they're supportive of each other, because actually they did a survey of happy marriages, the secret to a long-lasting happy marriage, and the top three one is staying attractive. And so if you need some help from us to stay attractive and looking sexy, and even more importantly feeling sexy, do it, because look at them, they just can't stop smiling.
Yeah, do it.
Dr. Tess.